Hey, this is Rosa Rubio Giro from RCG Creations. How you doing? Did you know? Here's another series. This is going to be a quickie. I didn't realize there was a difference in bobbins, but apparently there's a number assigned to different bobbins, and so you need to look at your manufacturer's instructions or the manual. If you don't have it, go online with the model number of your sewing machine to determine what size number bobbin that you need. I have a Singer 9410. And I need a class 66. So this is a class 66 bobbin. I went to Joann's today, got myself a little craft haul. Hope you enjoyed that video. It was on before this one. And this is another class 66 bobbins. They come in a package of 12. Both of these came in a package of 12. So here's the 12 clear ones. And then here's the other 12. I went ahead and got these because they already got thread on them. So I don't have to worry about it. Okay, now, and I'm going to show you the difference, and here's what the difference is. I had no idea. Let me show you one that's got color. Apparently, and this is something that I have a sewing machine repair guy that I go to, because I've been doing a lot of sewing ever since COVID, making some masks, making some stuff, and getting back into sewing. I haven't sewed in a good 15-20 years, but I'm getting back into it. But anyway, apparently, the bobbin, I'm going to show you, it's got a dome shape. So the 66 is like this. This other brand, and I couldn't tell you where I got these because these things are, this bobbin case with these bobbins are a good 15, 20 years old. Don't ask me where I got them because I couldn't tell you. More than likely it was probably Joann's is where I got it, because that's when I first did my sewing, started my sewing back in the early 80s. I had only went to Joann's and that I didn't go anywhere else. But you notice that? How it's flat right here? And let me show you. I hope it's in focus. And then here's the other one. And the 66 has a little dome shape. Well, apparently if you have the wrong size bobbin in your bobbin carrier, and I have the kind that lays inside the sewing machine, and it always messes up with the tension. So the more that you sew, you could be sewing away, going good for a little while, then all of a sudden it's going to mess up because somehow this bobbin is messing up with the tension on your bobbin. So it messes it up. So anyway, I'm going to give these, and my little case thing broke, but that's okay because it still closes. See, and everything's still fine. You don't lose anything. Nothing falls out. But anyway, so I'm going to give these away to somebody because I just don't want to take a chance. And there is one. Let's see, here's this one. Let me get that black one back again. And they look almost similar. This has a little bit of a dome, not as much as this one. So I'm just not going to take a risk because I have actually used all of these. And all of these, eventually, after time, the tension did get messed up. So I'm not going to mess with it. I'm not going to do with it. I'm just going to give these away because I'm not going to headache with it. And I don't want to mess with what did what or what did not do what. And I just, back in the day, I used to just put tape on there so it wouldn't unravel and stuff. But this is a Did You Know series. And then when I was at Joann's, I went ahead and, let me just close this up. I got a new bobbin case because I knew that I was going to be getting rid of these because I just didn't know what was what. And now I know. So now it's in my phone to only buy class 66 bobbins for my Singer 9410 sewing machine. And this is just a little 28, holds 28 bobbins. So I'm all set. I'm good to go. And I'm ready to start sewing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and comment. And we'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.